9 heart-stopping roller coasters on Earth. Doesn't matter if you're a boy approaching his teens or a person in his 40s, a roller coaster is the first thing you set your eyes on in an amusement park. Filled with bumpy rides full of jumps and inversions, a roller coaster can make your hair bounce and your tears drop. Here is a look at 9 heart-stopping roller coasters in the world. Before going into the video, make sure you smash that subscribe button for 1 month of good luck. Let's begin with the list. Outlaw Run. The Outlaw Run, located at Silver Dollar City in Branson, is the world's first double-barrel roll-on a roller coaster. It is the 6th fastest roller coaster in the world. The ride has a first drop of 162 foot, which is the 4th steepest in the world at 81 degrees. At 720 degrees, a triple upside-down twist and its top speed reaching 68 miles per hour makes this a must-go. The Twisted Colossus. As the name suggests, this Colossus roller coaster contains a 5,000-foot track. Located in Six Flags Magic, the Twisted Colossus is one of the longest hybrid coasters in existence, along with a 360-degree zero-gravity roll and a 160-feet drop convinced to make your jaw drop. The Voyage. The Voyage is a wooden roller coaster located at Holiday World. It includes one of the steepest drop on a wooden coaster and a blistering 24.3 seconds of weightlessness, which would make your heart stop for a moment. Lightning Rod. Lightning Rod at Dollywood is the world's fastest wooden coaster, which tops at a speed of 73 miles per hour. It gives nearly 20 seconds of airtime across its unique hybrid track structure. This gigantic roller coaster costs a staggering amount of $22 million. El Toro. The El Toro is also known as the Bull, located in Six Flags Great Adventure, is one of the world's longest and fastest wooden coasters. Built with sleek technology, it is a state-of-art wooden coaster. It also contains the steepest drop of any wooden roller coaster at an angle of 72 degrees. Goliath. The Goliath, located at Six Flags Magic Mountain Amusement Park in California, is one of the tallest and steepest drop in the country. The roller coaster contains plenty of nervy turns and twists, with the highest speed at 72 miles per hour. The coaster's theme is characterized by ancient ruins of Mayan civilization, which amuses the public. At a staggering height of 235 feet, this wooden coaster is one hell of a ride. Named after the superhero Superman, this gigantic roller coaster has a height of 5,400 feet. Unlike other wooden coasters, this is made of steel and is located at Six Flags New England in Massachusetts. The coaster has a 220 feet drop and the highest speed up to 77 miles per hour. Don't forget to bring your cape. The Phoenix. This wooden coaster at Nobel's amusement park offers panoramic views of the surrounding hills with a top speed of 45 miles per hour. It is an ideal ride for people who love thrill and nature. The roller coaster goes way back up to 1985 and is a favorite ride of many people around the world. Steel Vengeance. This coaster was introduced at Cedar Point in 2018. Upon its construction, the Steel Vengeance set up 10 world records. This coaster is the tallest one in the world with a height of 5,470 feet. Having the steepest drop at 90 degrees, 4 inversions, and the longest drop at 200 feet, this masterpiece is a must-go for any coaster lover. Well, that was all for today's episode. Thank you for watching our video. Well, this is where we end the video, but guess what? We caught your interest in tech gadgets as you stuck till the very end of the video. Let us know in the comments down below which one you liked the most. We will catch you up in the next video.